Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the map settings on the Nissan Qashqai. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You can edit the map settings within the settings on the Nissan Qashqai. Follow the steps to learn how to do it. Tap Settings in the bottom right corner of the infotainment screen. In Settings, tap Navigation. In the navigation settings, tap Map Settings. On the right here, you can switch between different map view options. You can choose 2D map, split 2D map, 3D map, split 3D map. When you tap on an option, the map will open to show you the map view that you chose. Here you can change the left side info and the map icons. Tap More Settings to see more customization options. Here you can change many settings in order to customize your map experience. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Nissan Qashqai tips and tricks.